So a few days ago I picked up this slot car racing game from a local estate sale. It's a toy developed by an AI company called ANKI, but ever since they went out of business in 2019, all of their toys were discontinued. Over the years, I was able to get a hold of some of the toys like the ANKI Vector robot and the ANKI Overdrive, but I was never able to get a hold of the ANKI Drive. This is their first product and it goes back to 2013 when it was first released at Apple's WWDC 13. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at the cars and fix all of them. So this car is actually from the ANKI Overdrive series, which was the successor of ANKI Drive. Even though this car is newer than the other ones, the battery in it is all dead. So we're gonna take it apart and solder on a new battery. Alright, here's what the car looks like on the inside, and the LiPo obviously looks very puffy. So I'm gonna replace it with some 1S 100 milliamp LiPos. So the battery that the car comes with is 90 milliamps and the batteries that I got are 100 milliamps, so it should make the car run longer since it's got a higher capacity. Alright, it's all fixed now. Time to see if it works. So I let it charge for a bit while I set up the track. Okay, so basically how this game works is that you control each car through an app and you can race against other players or other cars driven by AI. But for now, I'm just testing the car to see if it works. Please remember to stick around till the end where I show all 4 cars in action. It definitely works. Now it's time to take a look at the drive cars. I don't have enough batteries, so I'll just fix one for now. The older drive cars have their own cool little charging ports. Okay, so I got new LiPos and then I fixed up all the other cars off camera. But I want to show you guys what the inside of the super trucks looks like. So I also got these a while ago and they come with the ANKI Overdrive series. It's basically the same, except that there's more gears for the motor for a greater gear ratio so that it can pull the heavier load. Alright, all fixed now. Alright, that is it for this video. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel. I will be doing more cool stuff with these cars as well as other cool projects in the future. So please stay tuned to this channel. And as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.